Hey everyone, welcome back to Futuristic Rides. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting revivals in Porsche history, the 2026 Porsche 912, a name that echoes the brand's classic heritage, now reimagined for the modern era. This lightweight, precision-focused machine is bringing back the spirit of the original 912, blending timeless design with cutting-edge technology. Porsche is delivering a car that pays homage to its past while embracing the future. And it's safe to say this one is going to turn heads. At first glance, the 2026 Porsche 912 is a perfect fusion of retro charm and contemporary engineering. The silhouette is unmistakably Porsche, featuring the classic sloping roofline and short overhangs that define the brand's design DNA. The front end showcases round LED matrix headlights, a subtle nod to the original model, while the wider stance and sculpted aerodynamic lines give it a more aggressive, planted look. Porsche has made use of lightweight materials, incorporating aluminum and carbon fiber throughout the body to enhance agility without compromising durability. The rear is a masterpiece of simplicity and sophistication, with a seamless LED light bar, a retractable spoiler, and dual exhaust tips that sit flush within the rear bumper. It's a modern take on a classic design that perfectly balances nostalgia and innovation. Under the hood, the 2026 Porsche 912 offers an electrified take on performance while still staying true to its lightweight philosophy. Instead of a traditional flat four, Porsche has engineered a state-of-the-art hybrid powertrain that delivers instant torque and razor-sharp responsiveness. A compact 2.0-liter turbocharged flat-four engine is paired with a high-performance electric motor, working together to produce an impressive 400 horsepower. The power is sent to the rear wheels through a lightning-fast dual-clutch transmission, allowing for seamless shifts and an exhilarating driving experience. The 912's lightweight construction keeps it nimble, making it a joy to throw around corners with precision. With a 0 to 60 time of just under 4 seconds and a top speed of 170 miles per hour, this is a machine built for both purists and modern enthusiasts alike. Porsche has also incorporated regenerative braking and an advanced battery system that provides short bursts of electric-only driving, further enhancing efficiency without sacrificing performance. Step inside, and you'll find a cockpit that seamlessly blends vintage aesthetics with modern technology. The minimalist dashboard design is a clear tribute to the original 912, featuring a clean layout with a driver-focused approach. A fully digital instrument cluster is cleverly designed to mimic classic analog dials, providing a nostalgic feel while delivering cutting-edge functionality. The center console houses a sleek touchscreen infotainment system, seamlessly integrated with Porsche's latest software, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and AI-driven voice commands. The seats are lightweight yet supportive, wrapped in premium leather and sustainable materials that reduce environmental impact without compromising luxury. Porsche's attention to detail extends to the smallest touches, from the retro-styled toggle switches to the perfectly weighted steering wheel that makes every drive feel special. What truly sets the 2026 Porsche 912 apart is its dedication to the purest driving experience. While many modern sports cars are packed with complex electronics, Porsche has ensured the 912 retains an unfiltered connection between driver and machine. The absence of an overcomplicated all-wheel drive system and excessive driving aids means that every input is direct and rewarding. Porsche has even developed a special heritage drive mode, which adjusts throttle response, steering weight, and even artificial engine acoustics to emulate the feel of classic air-cooled Porsches from the past. It's a car built for enthusiasts who crave authenticity while still benefiting from modern advancements. With its stunning design, hybrid-powered agility, and a driver-focused interior, the 2026 Porsche 912 is a dream come true for those who appreciate Porsche's legendary driving dynamics. It's a bold revival that captures the essence of the original while pushing boundaries in performance and efficiency. Whether you're a longtime Porsche fan or a newcomer to the brand, the new 912 promises to be an unforgettable experience. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.